Hey. Hey, why did you stop the music? Once more, just the chorus. Notice. Will you sing with us? Hi guys. You like this song? Good one. Yeah, a good backing vocalist also. Any budding singers? Ashiki too? Metro in Dino, guys. This is Metro in Dino. Come on. Cheers, cheers.
Okay, welcome to Abhinandan, welcome Aditya, welcome Sara, welcome Raghav, welcome Sashwati, Firstly, congratulations on the tremendous response that the trailer, the songs, everything is getting. I want to know, the film is 3 days away. This reception, how does this feel?
Feels very good. Are you guys excited for the film? Yeah? Are you going to tell your friends about it? Listen, that yes has to be louder. Okay, now we're talking. Nice.
Konkana, what about you? How does this energy, this reception feel?
My God, it's reminding me of my college days. So long ago. So thank you. We're very excited to bring our movie to you.
Sara, I think everyone is going crazy, so if you speak would be great.
Hello everyone. Firstly, it was so much fun to enter on Zamana Lage क्योंकि आके ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे कॉलेज को इतने ज़माने लग गए that every time one comes to colleges like this, I feel like a college student again with this energy. So thank you so much for this lovely energy. यही energy चाहिए अभी 4 जुलाई को हम सबको थिएटर आप सबको आना है, अपने दोस्तों को साथ लाना है, हमारे गाने सुनने और मजे करने हैं हमारे साथ. Please guys, promise.
फ्राइडे को वैसे छुट्टी रख सकते हैं. हॉलिडे, you know holiday? Or is it a holiday anyway?
Directly pump,
You
will
got
pump
the
it.
evening also, it's okay.
I think we should ask for half day on Friday, na? Yeah, but if you are not feeling excited, guys. Okay, fine.
Okay, let's do this. Are you guys excited?
What's the attendance minimum? 75?
Raghav, what about you? You know, you perform here. How was the response that you got from these?
Dude, I'll tell you what, I used to be in college and we used to participate in singing this competition. कोई शो नहीं कर रहा था, तो कहता कौन है निकलना, पर आज बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you guys, thank you much. लाला लाजपत राय, I love you. Yeah, it feels very nice. Thank you so much.
Raghav, what about you?
I love this. I love this energy. Like Sara said, just carry this energy on 4th of July and watch the movie. And I hope you all love the movie. And I hope you all like the music that we've been giving to you.
Amazing. So, as I said, you know, the trailer has been loved by everyone. I think it would be a perfect moment to watch the trailer with this energy. So, are you guys excited for the trailer? Perfect. Let's have the trailer. Guys, keep making a lot more noise!
Yeah.
इंसान का इवोल्यूशन हो चुका है, कान से सुनते हैं, आंख से नहीं।
किसी के साथ पूरी जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए बार बार प्यार में पड़ना पड़ता है उसी एक इंसान के साथ।
सेकंड चांस तो बनता है।
अपनी गलती मान रहा है ना, सॉरी बोल रहा है ना। तो मुझे कभी ना आपकी तरह बनना नहीं था।
I've become a doormat just like you and I hate myself for it.
तू लूजर था, तू लूजर है।
उससे कहीं ज्यादा भारी देता है।
Check. Give it up for our entire team.
Yeah, good?
You know, we've organized a lot of events, but this reception just for a trailer just shows how good the film is going to be. 4th July, jaओगे कि नहीं? Amazing. So, firstly, as a tradition of Lala Lajpat Rai College, since our college is named after Shri Lala Lajpat Rai Ji, who was a great freedom fighter, we start every auspicious event by garlanding the bust of Lala Lajpat Rai Ji and lighting the lamps. So we would request the guests to join the trustees principal for lighting the lamp. Thank you so much everyone. Guys, give it up for Lala Lajpat Rai College firstly for being so amazing and so energetic. To Tsunami Fest as well, I think they deserve a huge round of applause. Okay. So firstly, Konkana ma'am, you've been a part of this journey, since the start, and coming back again to the world of Metro. How has that journey been? How has that feeling been?
I'm so excited. I've never been in anything like a sequel. I don't think you guys would have even seen the first Life in a Metro, but maybe you've heard the songs, and if you haven't seen that, now you have Metro in with even better songs. So I hope you really enjoy this.
Sarah, your and Aditya's track, it's honestly the most relatable for this generation.
I would hope so. I mean, in the college, you won't be related to the other track as yet, I know.
Right. So I want to know how has that experience been? Huh? It's gonna keep.
Good voice, huh? एक और बार चिल्लाओ ना. Nice.
So how much fun did you have playing this character, and how much do you relate to it?
I think she's just a young girl like any of you, like trying to figure her life out, like confused, doesn't know. How many of you are confused in life today? So
ये लड़का दोनों हाथ उठा रहा है. तो मैं बहुत confused.
मैं भी दोनों एक खा देती. So I think that I relate to the fact that like there's confusion. They relate to the fact that there's confusion. So have any of you landed up like drunk in someone's bathroom like this though? No, right?
you know, when you play such characters and you worked with Anuradha before in Ludo, how was your journey on Metro and this reception that you're getting from these people, how does that feel?
No, it feels amazing, guys. The love is mutual. Yeah, listen, working with Dada is always a dream for any actor, you know. He gives you so much freedom and he always has your back. And we had a lot of fun. This is like a chill character. It's not so intense. So for me, it was nice to play something a little more light-hearted, a little more fun. So yeah, it's going to be, I think there's a lot of fun in the whole film. If you see, even, you know, Konkar and Pankaj's track, there's a lot of humor, emotion, everything. So hopefully, everyone will connect with someone's love story in the movie, and looking forward to everyone watching it now.
Amazing. Raghav, this honestly is kind of like a debut because we see you on screen with Pritam Da and Pepon.
Yeah.
So how was that like?
Sorry.
We see you on the screen, you know, it's like your debut on the screen. We're seeing you with Pritam Da and Pepon. How was that journey like?
This was like amazing. So Anurag Da, this was the first time I'm working with him, and he makes you feel like home. The first time I was on set, it didn't feel like I was working. मजा आएगा first time देखने में working with him.
Amazing. Shashwat, you know, Zamana Lage, it's I think become the track of the year. Everyone is vibing to it. How has that reception been? आपके DMs I think flood हो रहे हैं. Everyone is loving it. How is that like?
Well, I've been receiving like hundreds of covers and tags every day. Zamana Lage for sure took over. And really thankful to the audience. I think Pritam Da has done a wonderful work on the melody, and Kaizrul Jafri ji जिन्होंने poetry 60 साल पहले लिखी थी, 60 years ago, you know. So I think yeah, so it's a big text, big responsibility, and the song has done its job. Yeah.
So I think मेरे questions हो गए. I think let's put it open because these.
So should we ask you questions?
I think that would be great.
Anyone's ready to answer questions?
This one's the first, right?
Okay.
Okay. We're going to ask you questions about love. Yeah. Kind of.
Okay, तो जमाना लगे सुनने के बाद आपको पहले प्यार के बारे में याद आया या अभी वाले प्यार के बारे में? अब यही बोलोगे ना अभी वाला, अभी थोड़ी ना काट करोगे। अभी वाला। कौन है अभी रूम में?
Give him the mic now. उसको mic दे दो बेचारे को. अरे इधर जो खड़ा है मेरे भाई ये खंबे जैसा आदमी.
Hello.
Guys, total silence. Let's hear what he wants to say.
I love you all. Thank you so much, Roaring Bullet, for this opportunity. And
Answer कर बेटा, answer कर.
अभी का प्यार,
कौन है अभी का प्यार?
अभी यहाँ पे रूम में तो नहीं है.
Room में नहीं है.
I'm actually from Thane, so Thane में ही रहती हूँ.
FaceTime करना?
अभी FaceTime हो जाएगा, बाद में ब्लॉक हो जाऊंगा.
Point है. अच्छा उसको टी-शर्ट उतारना है. उतार दे.
वो बोला आप भी उतारो.
I know.
नहीं ये नहीं उतारो. Okay, next. I think.
अच्छा, next question. Okay. Have you ever liked anyone and their friend zoned you? Okay, so what would you do in that situation? What have you done in that situation?
कौन सा?
Give the mic.
Who's relating the most to this?
I think she's related very hard.
Yeah, because उसकी friend उस पे सवाल नहीं है. Girl, come on, get up. It's Aditya Roy Kapoor asking a question to you. I think you.
Have you ever been friend zoned by someone who you like? Okay, what did you do? Give her the mic now.
I think she's not ready to stand up. अच्छा वो उठा चलो. She's like many to me.
Literally under the benches. Okay, so her crush was over here. He saw her and left.
चैट जीपीटी मत करो।
ChatGPT बहुत अच्छा है, but हाँ ये मामले
ये मामले में गलत है, ये मामले में गलत है। वो डमशराज क्यों खेल रही है? She doesn't want to speak. She's very shy. She's very shy seeing you. Thank you so much for your story. I hope जो नसीब में है वो मिल जाए।
सब सही होगा। It's all good. Life is good.
Can you wave?
Hi.
अभी वो बाहर आई। Okay, we have one more from here. Yeah.
First of all, hello Aditya and hi Sarah and hello, hope you are doing well. So answer your question is, there was a friend of mine who we used to be together in school. He did friend zone me. Later, after 2 years when I came back to this college, I got to know that he has a crush on me again.
But he had friends on you.
You have him? And now what to say?
What do you do?
ये बाजू वाला तो नहीं है ना?
No. Now what to say? Okay, so now I am with someone else from the same school. He did like me from a lot of time and I am dating that person happily and we are together from 4 years. We have very good.
तो ये वही है।
No, he's
ये भी
not.
वही है।
Yeah, and
उसकी मेट्रो मिस हो गई।
उसकी metro में सो गए. Exactly. So this
उसकी
is
मेट्रो मिस नहीं करना, हमारी भी मत करना।
exactly. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे भाई जल्दी आओ, बाय बाय, जरा साइड बस अभी ठीक है। हाँ क्या नहीं आज पानी खा रहा है अभी तो बाहर तो आइए आइए ये मीठा पान रुको रुको साथ में मीठा पान ओहो गुलकन लगा के सारा जी कैसा था खाना पान खाए कि नहीं पान गुलकन लगा संभालो आराम से सारा जी थैंक यू एक मिनट बाय सारा जी थैंक यू गाइस अरे ये
Thank you.